Alrighty, so we're going to be going over throttle cable repair. So step one, remove the air filter assembly. I've already pretty much disconnected everything. Step two, locate the problem. This is my problem I'm having. That is not normal. Usually this should be a solid mount and that should be attached in there. And, you know, off the cable. So, I've already disconnected this back here. Pretty simple. Just kind of pull tension on it. And then this pulls out of that thing. And then that can pull out. Just push it this way and it'll come out. And you release the grommet right here. You go over here inside of the car. Here's what the one I'm using is from off of my other Mercedes. Yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like. How you get it off is literally you go over to the throttle cable, assembly pedal. It's gonna be hard to see, but you're literally just take this off. Is on this little dowel, and then you push as hard as you can on that part right through here, and it's gonna pop out. So it's real hard to see, but what you're gonna be pushing on is actually this part right here. Push on this part. So it's gonna be real hard to get out, but you know, it will come. It will come. So then after that, yeah, pretty simple. Check open the firewall. Pull it on out. Looks like she's out. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with this. Oh, and then to release this, there's this one over here. There are two tabs you need to push in. And it'll look like this. So you gotta push these two tabs in order to release it. Kind of real hard, but yeah, you get the point. Alright, so this is the hard part. You're gonna have to find a way to push this in all the way. But it's kinda in there. Usually some lube should help, but sticking your hand back here is pretty dang difficult. Other than that, it's pretty much almost ready to go. Kind of go ahead and stick that through, and then just push. Cool. Alright. Now to see what we can do about this other part. I don't know if you can pull it out. I don't think you can. I mean, it's possible, but I don't think so. I don't think you really pull. Oh, maybe you can a little bit. But anyway, there we go. So positions like that. Sorry about the angle, but getting a camera here is almost impossible at the moment. And then, yeah, put the spring on, I mean, she's about in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah. Cool. Well, that's pretty much the basics of it. Now it's connected all the way. Besides the actual spring on the actual accelerator pedal, should be good to go.